It always starts quiet.
If you know what to watch, the ocean gives you a clue.
When the sea suddenly pulls back, it's not a miracle. It's a warning.
Most people do the worst possible thing. They stop to look.
This isn't low tide. This is the ocean inhaling.
Animals often react before we do.
If you ever see this in real life, run to higher ground.
Because the wave isn't one wave, it's energy.
A tsunami is not a regular wave. It's the ocean moving as a whole.
It begins below, where the seafloor suddenly moves.
In deep water, it can travel as fast as a jet.
Near shore, it still looks harmless. That's the trap.
Sometimes the alert arrives late, or not at all.
One of the biggest triggers is an earthquake under the sea.
It doesn't look like a surfing wave. It looks like the ocean rising.
And then the ocean returns. The first water can arrive quietly, but it doesn't stop.
Minutes decide everything.
Don't film! Move!
Higher ground is the only real advantage. First surge hits and tells you how serious this is.
It spreads through streets faster than you expect.
It's not just depth, it's speed.
Low places turn into traps.
If you can move up, do it calmly and keep moving.
Every minute, escape routes disappear.
Even small objects become dangerous at speed.
Water finds every opening.
Driving into floodwater is one of the most deadly mistakes.
The biggest threat is drowning. Fast, cold, and unstoppable.
The main surge can arrive after the first.
It doesn't stop at the beach.
Inside, you may have seconds to react.
A tsunami is often many waves.
If it recedes, it can come back stronger.
Stay away from the coast until authorities say it's safe. After the wave, the aftermath begins. Even standing water can pull you off balance. High ground. Don't return. Follow official alerts.
Sometimes the water stays for hours or days.
Rescues don't stop when the sun goes down. Survival becomes the only priority.
And then comes the waiting.
From above, the scale is hard to accept.
The water leaves marks everywhere.
Recovery depends on what still stands.
Damage doesn't end when the water retreats.
Recovery is slow, and it's exhausting.
And we remember what was lost.
As it enters shallow water, it slows down and grows taller.
Coastline shape can amplify the impact. Narrow bays can funnel water and increase destruction.
In cities, drains can backflow and flood streets from below.
Calm water can still hide strong currents and hazards.
Preparation beats panic. A route, alerts, and a simple go bag. When official alerts arrive, act fast.
Moving early is easier than escaping late.
Afterward, avoid floodwater and check utilities safely.
Recovery is a process. Safety first.
This is how 12 minutes can change a coastline.
Retreat, surge, evacuate, survive, recover.
This is a simulation, so we can learn without harm.
Would you run or film?
One choice matters more than any camera.
Distance saves.
And it can come in waves for hours.
Do not return until authorities clear the area.
Community is how people survive the aftermath. The ocean looks normal again, but the lesson stays.
Lesson 1. If the sea retreats, run.
Lesson 2, high ground first.
Lesson 3. Follow official alerts.
This channel exists for awareness.
Which disaster should we cover next? Next, when a volcano wakes up. Or mega storms and historic floods. Remember the sign, the ocean pulling back.
This is AI simulation, not real footage.
Stay safe. Stay aware.
That retreat is your countdown.
Move now, not later.
Higher is safe. Warnings help if we listen.
Know your safe zones before you need them.
Follow the route, not the crowd.
Respect the ocean, always.
Recovery happens together.
This is a series. Learn one disaster at a time. And it always starts quiet.